Unit 3 test review, question 14 says find the following information using the inequality 0.5x, or 1/2 x, minus 2y is greater than or equal to 3. So to graph this inequality, if it's in standard form, I'm going to use space move divide to get y by itself. So I've already done the work over there to the side. You can look to see that I've spaced the 3, I moved the x term, the 0.5x, by subtracting it, and then divided both sides by -2. Now, it's important, so important. If you divide by a negative or multiply by a negative with inequalities, you must flip the sign. So I flipped my sign, and I got y is less than or equal to 1/4 x minus 3/2. Now that I see that my inequality symbol is or equal to, I know the line is going to be solid. So my line that's graphed should be solid. So we would write line is going to be solid. Which side do we shade? So the slope-intercept form reads all y values need to be less than or equal to the line. All y values need to be less than. So I go to my y-intercept. Less than, remember, is below. So we would shade everywhere below the line. Okay, so we shade below. And the next question says, list one point that is a solution. So we have shaded a region where we're claiming all the solutions are. So any point that you select, as long as it's on the line, because it's or equal to, so it can be on the line, or in the shaded region, it's a good solution. So I'm going to pick the point, let's go 2, a -4. So 2, -4 is like right in here. If I do it in black, you can see it. That point is definitely in the shaded region, so a solution would be the point right 2, down 4. And then a point that is not a solution, keyword not, would be a point, any point not in the shaded region. Let's just make it easy. Let's pick the point 0, 0. 0, 0 is not in the shaded region, so therefore it would not be a solution. Meaning if you plugged it in up here for x and y, you would get a false statement. If you plugged in 2 for x and -4 for y, you would get a true statement. So that's why it is a solution.